Hello everyone. So June just started and it's the most important month for a JEE dropper. I have set a brutal but realistic study plan. I'm redoing my week topics, fixing last year mistakes and aiming to finish 280 lectures before October. And here's how I'm doing it. I'm redoing calculus from Tarun Khandelwal sir in Lakshya 2.0 2025, starting with methods of differentiation and going all the way to differential equations. I do solve his DPPs along the way, but instead of printing them, I just screenshot the good questions and save them to Notion. So this month, I plan to finish a few chapters. In maths, I'm trying to finish MOD, LCD and indefinite integration, and also revising coordinate geometry from last month. In physics, I'll be finishing up with rotation, then I will move to SHM, KTG thermo and fluids. In chemistry, after I'm done with general organic chemistry, I'll move to mole concept and redox. If time allows, I will try isomerism and hydrocarbons too. I've planned the entire sequence such that I finish the week topics first and after that move to the stronger chapters. All my lecture notes, DPPs, PDFs are stored in a cloud-based master JEE folder. I've got around 280 lectures left as I said, and I'm doing 3 lectures a day. I'll finish it by early October, and then it's all about giving mocks, doing revision and just grinding PYQs. As you know, I track everything in Notion, lectures, start questions, even screenshots. Also, I write daily and weekly to-do list by hand. Sundays are for catching up on whatever I missed, that is theory, DPPs, revision, or all 3 sometimes. I tried using Clockify, but I kept forgetting to press the start button. So yeah, I'm not using Clockify anymore. And I also wanted to say thanks to all of you who have subscribed. Like, I never imagined my channel would grow this fast. We are already at 150 subs. And this isn't just a study routine video. It's me committing to my drop year publicly. If you're also taking a drop, we're in this together. Let's make June count.